Thanksgiving is probably my favorite holiday. I was determined to still celebrate even though we're in Europe. We were in Dubrovnik because we decided to make a whole holiday out of it.
So we gotta decide what we're able to make for Thanksgiving.
And where to find the ingredients, because
and make a shopping list.
Grocery stores here are not the same.
They're sparse.
They're sparse.
So we're probably not going to be able to get a turkey.
Probably not, but we're thinking maybe we could do a ham.
You just buy a ham and put it in the oven?
Is that all you have to do? No, I don't know.
Does it come pre-baked?
I think it comes pre-marinated. I could tell we always go to our parents' house for these kind of holidays.
This one looks like what ours will look like.
Yeah, but
all these other pictures are super pretty.
We could probably slice it, not all the way, right? But just like...
Because those ones come pre-sliced like that.
Yeah.
I feel like we got to do it like that.
Oh, okay.
Like this,
yeah. Okay, we got ham, and then we need, for sure, stuffing. Plus, I think we can get all the ingredients for stuffing.
Let's just look up a recipe. See what...
this recipe...
See what What's-Her-Face does. The Gaines chick. What's her name?
Joanna Gaines.
Joanna. See, she's got stuffing. She's got some good food.
I know. I was trying to find her gravy.
She got a good cookbook out there.
Let's see. Homemade Thanksgiving stuffing recipe.
It looks legit.
Yeah.
Minus the mushrooms.
Minus the mushrooms. She makes it in a Dutch oven, but that's okay.
Isn't that when you fart and you put the blanket over your head?
So we'll have ham, mashed potatoes and gravy, stuffing, carrots. It? And rolls. Okay.
Let's see what we can find.
Okay, so we're in the baking aisle, and this is the largest baking aisle we've seen. We found powdered sugar, and this is the closest thing we can find to brown sugar. It's kind of like a mix between brown
like
sugar
raw
and raw sugar, but this literally translates as brown sugar. So
we'll give it a try. Gotta get that milk.
Unrefrigerated. They don't refrigerate their milk here, which is...
That's weird, but it works.
We drink it.
We drank it.
And it's fine.
We refrigerated afterwards.
Rolls and French bread for the stuffing.
Rolls and French bread.
Should we look for a ham?
Check out the hams.
Or do we want something like this?
That looks nicer. Oh, that's like prosciutto.
How do you say ham?
Maybe all of it is prosciutto.
How do you say
Oh wait, that one over there.
This one?
Yeah. Looks more like a traditional. We can buy the literal forearm of a human being. What is that? Like what bird? Is this like an ostrich wing?
Or it's a lamprey?
Oh, maybe.
Oh, we think we found everything we need.
All our ingredients.
There's a potato peeler.
There is? Oh, sweet. It's not a masher.
No.
We'll make it work. Thanksgiving 2018 right here, people.
Alright, total cost of our Thanksgiving grocery trip was about $75 US. And we got 4 bags of stuff. So now we're just waiting for our Uber and we'll be all good to go.
Chef Ariel.
Making that glaze.
That honey ham glaze.
With this Croatian brown sugar.
High maintenance ham. Bathed me in honey every 15 minutes for an hour and a half. But I keep coming back to you. I hate meat. It was juicy. Don't judge us if we're doing this completely wrong. Hot! Alright. Ham's done. Let's see how this thing turned out. There we go. Oh. Just like the pictures. Kinda. I'd say that's a success.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Look at this spread. It turned out pretty good. Not too bad for a couple of beginners.